Hi everyone! Happy Easter! I'm Amy, and today I'm making Easter carrot cake cupcakes. These delicious and pretty cupcakes are topped with a sweet cream cheese frosting. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and take a muffin pan and line it with cupcake liners, and then set it aside. In a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk this together until it's well combined, and then set it aside. In another bowl, add 1/3 cup of vegetable or canola oil, 3/4 cup of lightly packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now whisk this together until it's well combined. Then add 1½ cups of grated carrots. Stir this together until it's well combined. Now add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. Stir this together until it's just combined. Now evenly place the batter into the cupcake liners, filling them about 2/3 of the way full. Now bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then remove from the oven and let the cupcakes stay in the pan for a couple of minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. To make the cream cheese frosting, in a mixing bowl, add 1 stick of butter at room temperature. Beat this until it's creamy. Then add 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature and beat together until it's creamy. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix this together well. Finally, add 3 cups of powdered sugar. Add about half of it and mix it together. And then add the rest of it and beat together until it's smooth and creamy. Frost your cupcakes once they are completely cool. If you like, you can decorate them with sprinkles. And here they are, Easter carrot cake cupcakes. And this recipe makes about a dozen. And be sure to store these in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And today I'm making Easter carrot cake cupcakes. Happy Easter! Wait a minute, I messed up. Wait a minute. Try again. The funny part's right, but my part wasn't right. Happy Easter. I'm Amy. Wait a minute. Wait. I don't know why that rabbit's funny looking at the rabbit. Whoa.